Yeah, I thought it was a tough contest. I thought we started, obviously reasonably well, and yeah, it was one of those games. I just think we probably, our performance didn't drop to a real low level. We probably, we still played reasonably well, but just not well enough in those conditions to beat Huddersfield tonight. Probably a little bit of discipline. I thought the end of the first half and the start of the second half was really crucial. It's about the players that are playing and not, rather than the ones that are not. And we all know that, and that this player's not playing, but the ones who are, have come in and done a really good job. But we've just lacked that little bit extra there in the last two games to get over the line. We've been in two close games, the last two games, and ended up on the wrong side of them. And yeah, disappointed tonight. I thought we were right in it. I thought there was a couple of bounces of the balls there on the try. I don't think Huddersfield's first try was a try. There was lots of ricochets there, and then a couple of other bits and pieces. But that's the way it goes. And when the team, I thought Huddersfield, like I said, probably dominated a bit of the field position with the kicking game compared to ours. But you generally get those bounces of the ball. So it's wins or losses, not the issue. It's the performances. And like I said, we've been reasonably consistent. I don't think it was a great performance from us, but I don't think it was dreadful from us tonight as well. It was somewhere in that middle area there. But there was parts, not enough quality in our game there tonight to get it across the line. So just disappointed with that.